Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming servers and making quick network fixes. This saves time. First, check that Rockstar servers are online, and then restart your router and modem to clear transient issues. Once done, plug in an Ethernet cable if available to stabilize packets, and make sure no VPN or proxy is altering routes. Also close bandwidth-hungry apps like cloud sync or streaming so your connection latency drops. Doing these steps first prevents many disconnect causes and lets you move to deeper fixes. Next, you verify account and connectivity settings because auth failures often look like server disconnects. Check your console or platform account is signed in and linked correctly to Social Club. Then, open or forward the common GTAV ports on your router to reduce NAT issues. Make sure NAT is moderate or open. After that, verify or repair game files in the launcher so corrupted assets aren't causing disconnects. And install any pending updates for the game and the launcher to ensure protocol compatibility. Finally, perform advanced isolation to finish the fix. Reset router settings if port changes or custom rules persist, but backup configs first. If the issue continues, test GTA Online on a different network or device to see whether your ISP or local hardware is at fault. Make sure to gather timestamps and any error messages. If nothing works, contact your ISP or Rockstar support with those logs so they can trace session drops. One key tip: try a fresh router firmware or temporary mobile hotspot to confirm ISP.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.